In this video, we will see 10 tips for optimizing the installation of the pipes of a split air conditioner. 1. Use a tube bender to avoid improper bending of the refrigerant lines. Ensure that all bends have a large radius to maintain proper refrigerant flow and reduce pressure drops. Avoid short radius elbows that can cause significant efficiency losses. 2. Reduce the number of bends in the piping system to decrease friction losses and improve refrigerant flow. Each additional bend increases the equivalent length of the pipe, which can affect system performance. Whenever possible, minimize the use of elbows and keep the pipes as straight as possible between the indoor and outdoor units. This helps reduce pressure drops and improve system efficiency. 3. Adhere to the maximum pipe length recommended by the manufacturer based on the system's capacity. Exceeding this length can result in decreased performance and potential operational issues. 4. If it is necessary to extend the pipes, remember to complete the refrigerant charge, as the system now has a larger volume than the original. A reference table is shown on screen to determine the amount of gas to add. 5. Ensure that the transitions from vertical to horizontal directions are smooth and have the proper inclination to allow oil return. This is crucial because some of the oil exits with the refrigerant through the compressor discharge and must return correctly. 6. In systems with significant vertical lengths, install oil traps in the vertical risers to prevent oil accumulation in undesirable locations. This ensures proper oil circulation and prevents compressor damage due to oil shortages. 7. The best location for the air conditioning unit is one that allows the shortest distance between the indoor and outdoor units, ensuring optimal heat exchange for both units. This minimizes pressure losses and improves system efficiency. 8. Firmly support the refrigerant lines at regular intervals to prevent sagging and vibration, which can damage the lines or cause leaks. Proper support helps maintain system integrity. 9. Respect the original pipe diameters of the equipment and cut unnecessary lengths to reduce pressure drops within the pipes, thereby increasing system efficiency. 10. Properly and independently insulate the pipes of the equipment to prevent condensation points from the outside air and maintain good efficiency.